Hi, Cary Harrison with you, up on Switzerland's Zugerberg at the premier school, Institut, Montana. I want to tell you a very quick story because what you're looking at right now is a brand new project, a brand new studio called RadioM. And I came in from LA to bring all the tricks of the trade that I had learned over the years to bring back to our students and give them a leg up and an open door into a possible new future. As an alumnus myself, I was taught early on that you have to give it away to keep it, that you have to recycle knowledge and information for the betterment of other people. We had the idea to put together the first ever streaming radio station and video station where the voices of young kids between 10 and 16, those voices, those issues, the matters that are important to them could be heard to the rest of the world. Now, why would someone want to hear from a 13-year-old? Well, because 13-year-olds nowadays can actually tell you what chemicals are in plastic. They could talk about economies. They could talk about OPEC. They understand the ebb and flow of the entire dynamic human system.
At the moment, we only have this one planet, and we have to make sure to use our resources accordingly and to spend them wisely and sustainable.
This used to be the domain of people that were in their 80s or 90s, elders of some sort. But, many people have fallen asleep. So these kids are vibrant, they're dynamic, they're brilliant, they're creative, they're amusing, and they have found ways to tell stories. We're broadcasting many of these stories in U.S. on public radio stations all over the nation. We have some affiliates here in Europe. We're going to start running it on there. How did all of this occur? Very quickly. Well, there was a model United Nations a few years ago with 130 countries represented. And I got to talk to them and I said, if we put together a project, a radio project, for all of your voices, if you're from Russia, Ukraine, sitting next to each other, Cuba, the United States, sitting next to each other, talking about world events, talking about solutions to the problems that all of us face, would you be interested? Well, of course, every hand went up. So I just want to thank you for joining me for a brief moment. My hat's off to the accomplished and extraordinary leadership of Institut Montana. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to celebrating a great future together.